Okay, so we have the meter setting and CV, non-contact voltage detection. And using the non-contact voltage detector is important if you're checking cables that you're not checking against shielded cables. There's detecting. This is a see-through wall. Okay, so with it set to NCV, we're going to check the circuit breaker. It's beeping. It's detecting voltage in the circuit breaker. So then, let's go check a couple other things. That outlet's not reading anything. This outlet is reading a little bit. There it goes. So you can check to see if it's hot. So you have to be really careful when doing these. Be very careful with it that you test a known circuit first and then check a circuit against that and then check it again to make sure that you've made good contact and the meter non-contact voltage detector is working properly.